Well, I got a little bit of paint on her. I'm touching it up a bit. Put new non-skid pads on there, some non-skid paint with some sand in it. It's like grit paint. I ran out there though. So I was going to reuse all the paint you got. Also ran out in the gray. Not ran out in the white yet, but I don't need no more white, except for touching the crap on the sides. And under the washboard there. Got the well all painted there. Some paint back here too. Fiberglass painted here. Get a green bottom then, and she'll be close to done. Got it all fiberglassed. How much you can see, because I can't see anything. I think it looks good so far. Better than that blue that was in there. Gotta get the rest of it painted. Get some more on that there. Oh, a rag. Put these new cleats up here for the mooring line. I touched the scratch that was on there. You can barely see it now, so I can't even see it. But putting the cab on here soon too, and should be really done then. Took the stickers off. Put a box up here, right from right here to there, and then I'm gonna have the box gonna be there just for storage compartment, and we'll put my numbers on that. But does not have numbers. It's always been a commercial boat, so no numbers, except for commercial numbers. I think it looks good. So I can paint the floor, clean it up, put a new slab of rubber under there, put a new davit on the other side and a pop holder. Start building the cabin and pre-tighten up the washboard. Has my crab pots right here. Here's the paint I use. I use bright side steel gray topside paint. Same stuff I painted with the okra with, which I sold. Was for sale, but now is nice and sold, and I was able to pay off this early and get this thing back to my place. I'll touch it in the back here. I'm not too worried about the drip here. I don't care at all. This is all going to be gray. I like it. Looks nice. Touched up everything, sanded it all down on this cleats and stuff there that I got bumped. I don't really matter to me too much. I'm going to redo this. Here, put some more paint layered along the non-skid pad. Everything's finished. Sure does shine nice. Gotta get a paint on there some more. I didn't have that much left in my container with that bright side and gray. If I get another container, I'm going to have extra, so that I can go over 2 coats on other places. Get this all dried out again, put a gas tank in there, then get the motor on there, get a motor on there. I don't have a motor yet, but I got a couple ideas I'm going to put on here. Put it on the cab, and man, it's a good looking boat right there. With that curve on it, curvature of the boat. Looks sweet. Barely see anything. It's so sunny out here. You wouldn't know it's February. It's gotta be almost 70 degrees out here today. Good day for painting, I'll tell you that. Gonna do it on the inside of that box. You see a little spot right there. Needs touched up. Down there. I'm gonna have the rubber back on so I can walk around without getting crap all over the wood under there and tracking crap everywhere else. So I'm sure the bilge is full of water again. I gotta drain it back out. I didn't want to track water around the boat and drip it all over the seats. I had to get that done quick because fiberglass was sticking in your arm so bad, and you wouldn't know this whole area was bare. Look at that now, it's nice. That's really it for now. Thanks for watching this video. On the next video, I'm going to be completely done and hopefully start building a cab or have an engine on it. See you later.